Look what we have in our house. Something new. Hold it up.
Final requests, Lieutenant? Yeah. Can I have the gun? Fall for that. Not so bad.
Ew. Get slobber.
Just slub on them? How you clean it off? You know how to clean it off.
Mom! It's a new cat.
It's on Pebbles.
On a blanket?
Alright, now talk. Give me that more tone. Okay, I'll talk. There's 6 numbers.
This thing is a treat. Thank you.
Sit.
Oh my god! These guys get their stitches out tomorrow.
You sure you're alright?
Really don't, Danny.
Mom, it's just snipping.
Let me see, move Fran. Move your head, Fran.
Let's go.
Come on, Royberg, let's go.
It's licking it.
Stop looking at it. You're getting all wet.
Super. Oh my god, Barney's run the other way.
Jane.
That's good.
We don't have much time.
Uh-oh, it's so...
Let me see.
Wait a minute.
Deborah. Okay.
It's done within this part.
Hmm?
I've had a girl on See? That's your friend. It's Harvey. That's probably what she thinks it is. That's why probably it's not scared.
And Freddy's her mother.
Well, big one. Look at Jimmy.
Where is he?
Got him.
There one.
Kelly, I guess, where's Kelly?
Okay, his last one. Wait, let me see, Mom.
Yeah?
How do I get into somebody else's account?
Easy.
How? Fran, why you gonna fart, man?
Gotta go. We gotta go.
Night.
Good night.
Oh my god.
The deadly fart.
Stop.
It's just say 48 hours cats.
It's a dog. Look at Barney. He doesn't know what to do.
It thinks it's Harley. Yeah, there's Harley. Okay, you only get to sit. Sit. Now you get to sniff it. Sniff it.
No, don't tell them to sit like that because they're going to eat it.
Now I tell them they sit so they get to sniff it. Don't sit. There you go. And then the superlative is best, right?
No.
Hi, little kitty. Remember we were gonna get a haze cat, and then Danny came home from Ireland saying, "Let's get another Labrador."
Because I always saw a lab there to Kevin. Remember Kevin was gonna bring home a cat, a lab.
Oops. Okay, morphine.
Do some food. She said.
Here you are getting ready to sing happy birthday to Kelly on her 19th birthday. Yeah. Hi, Kel. Happy 19th birthday.
Let's go to the show. Go to the shows.
She went up that way. So how did it happen? Well, that's exactly the question her lawyer focused on as she prepared to defend the young client in court. And the answer she came up with is very controversial.
In the inner city, cases like this one are common. And we're sure it'll provoke a strong reaction as it did when we first brought you this story. When a child turns violent,
Have her hang on it so we can like hook onto anything.
It goes at the shadows.
It may be an outrageous one.
These are the frightening streets of inner city America. Dangerous land fed by drugs, gangs, and guns. Violent crimes become so relentlessly routine here that it often attracts little public interest.
Yes.
Like the one painted here on this Milwaukee street on a chilly October night. 17-year-old Brenda Adams, who just left the party in her new trench coat. She was shot by another teenager, Felicia Walker,
Who did this?
after refusing to give up that case.
I can't find her spot anymore.
Died at the scene. Memories of that night still haunt me. What do you think? Think about these drugs.
Here it is, I found it! I found the spot!
Their codes of fight purpose.
Swing her like back and forth.
Cat's up.